So we got the chrome bumper back here, along with Plasti Dip. Plasti Dip clear. So I wonder what we're gonna be doing. Hell yeah. Yep. I got the back thing because I thought it was gonna rain earlier. Now it's clean. Now the sky is clear with a little cloud right there. Goddamn. YouTube, what's going on today? I hope y'all are having a good day. I'm bringing y'all another video. We got the truck back in today. What we're going to be doing today is really simple, but also it's going to be a very pleasing aesthetic job, okay? What we're doing is we are going to be color matching the rear chrome bumper. We're going to be color matching that chrome bumper to the truck, so white, all right? I have a little process I'm going to do for it. Maybe you guys can try it out in your trucks if you want to. I know a lot of you guys plan on trying out to paint your grill to match your color of your truck. Let me know how that is. If y'all do stuff that I've done in my truck and y'all try it out in your truck, send me a picture. Email me, DM me on Instagram. Send me pictures of y'all doing it. I want to see it definitely. You know, I can throw them up on the channel too. But we're going to be going ahead and getting this done. So I'm going to show y'all something real quick with the bumper. So I already went ahead and I got some rubbing alcohol and a microfiber, and I wiped down the bumper, the chrome, and I wiped down the plastic to be able to clear out any waxes and grease on it. So now what we're going to do is, because it's all about prep work, okay? When it comes to Plasti Dip prep work, prep work is king, okay? So what we're going to be doing is we're going to clay the chrome bumper, and what that's going to do is that's pretty much going to give us that smooth mirror finish on the chrome, so that way when the white Plasti Dip lays down onto the chrome, it's going to lay flat. You're not going to see any ridges, any bumps in it, and it's going to look clean, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and get you guys set up on the camera. We're going to do a time lapse. I'm going to clay the bumper, and if you don't know how to clay, let me know. I can make a video showing how to clay bar a truck and stuff like that. I actually ordered some products from Chemical Guys and Adams Polishes. I'm looking forward to making videos on. Let me know how y'all feel about that in the near future. But we're going to go ahead. I'm going to set y'all up and we're going to do this. And then I'm going to update y'all. Oh, I'll do that. And then I'm also going to mask off everything. I'm going to mask off the top. And I don't think I have to worry about the axle because it's so far back there. I might cover up my exhaust tip just because I don't want nothing to get on that. So, yep. Alright you guys, so I went ahead and taped up the bumper. As you could have seen, I got to put a little piece of tape right there. Did not notice that, but it was actually kind of cool because I was able to run my fingernail underneath it, so that way I know, you know, the tape is wrapping underneath it, so I don't have to worry about it getting on the plastic. Because if I can find it, I got so much stuff, you guys. I got more stuff. I got to do something with all that. Anyways, I got some Adams black trimmer store, and if you guys watched the video about a month and a half ago, I detailed the truck and I went ahead and re-dyed all the plastic. Well, the plastic faded again only because I treated it once. You got to do multiple treatments in order for it to like permanently be into it. So once I paint this white, I'm going to go ahead and do that, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and get you guys set up on the tripod, and we're going to go ahead and get this thing painted up with its first coat of Plasti Dip. I can't wait to see how it comes out. I know it's gonna look good, but you know, I still want to see it.
Ryan Litzel.
Alright guys, that was super quick. First coat is done. 1 second. Oh wow, that's really bright. Alright, so as you can see, it's really thin. I mean, you can still see the reflection all in there from the chrome bumper, but the first coat of Plasti Dip needs to be a very light coat, because now what's happening is it's chemically bonding and adhering to the surface. Alright, this first coat is a very important coat when it comes to Plasti Dipping. Alright, so I'm gonna give that about 10 minutes to cure on it. We're gonna go ahead and drop that second coat. I'm pretty much gonna put as many coats needed until it's pretty much pitch white, and then we will go from there. Okay. Dang. Alright, YouTube, so while waiting on the paint to cure, we went ahead and just got a package from the UPS man. Dang. Alright, you guys, this is going to be a good installation. Right now in this video, if you know what's going to be in that box, go ahead and drop a comment down. First person to comment what's in the box correctly will get a shout out, just like I did that one time. Alright, and ready, go. Alright, you guys, that is it. I went through an entire can. of Plasti Dip, and it was just about to run out, and I was able to hit it. And I coated it. It looks good, man. Wow. It's beautiful. It came out so nice. So now, and I went ahead and got all up underneath there. I didn't miss nothing. So now, what we're gonna do is I'm gonna let this cure for about 15 minutes. Then I'm gonna come with the clear, because you guys know I was reading the instructions on this earlier. I bought the can of the Plasti Dip glossifier with Fade Buster. I bought a can of that too, so I'm gonna go ahead, and apparently the way it works is the more coats of clear you add, the glossier it gets. So pretty much trying to get it to match up with the truck. I don't need it to be super glossy like a mirror, because then it's just gonna look weird. Okay, but at the same time, I do want it to have a nice gloss to it. It looks good, man. Wow, check that out. I can't wait to peel that tape off, man. I'm telling you. Oh, it looks phenomenal. So I am a huge fan. This is the second thing off Plasti Dip. I am a huge fan of it. Definitely. I was checking this box out earlier, thinking about making an unboxing video, or maybe I'll just, I don't know. I was thinking about making an unboxing video. If you guys want an unboxing video for this, let me know down below. If not, then I can just, when I open it up and go through it, I will install it and go from there, okay? So yeah, we're gonna wait for this to dry, hit it with the clear, and that's going to be it for this, man. I'm telling y'all, this is coming out to be a good install, or a good paint job. Alright, you guys, so we finished up the Plasti Dip of the bumper and me personally, right now at this moment, I am not a fan of it, just because a couple of things, and it's probably my fault. Just two spots that went wrong that I'm really mad about, and I know I'm probably being petty, but whatever. So you can come up here close, you can see where I didn't get a good clean tape on the tape. So what happened was it ended up peeling a little bit. You come down here, you got some there, it gets bad here. A second, there you go, you see that? Okay, there's probably the worst spot right there, and it's so annoying looking at it because it didn't catch, and you can see where it's like trying to unravel. So this is not gonna hold up. It's not gonna hold up long. I probably hit this with the pressure washer like 2 times, and it's probably gonna start peeling. Okay, you can see more over here. So what do? So I'm gonna leave it like this just because I don't feel like peeling all of that off. And I couldn't find my Adams trimmer store. I don't know where it went. I think that might help it look better. I couldn't find it, which was kind of annoying. So it's either time for a roll pan bumper, which I'm really not a fan towards, just because I don't feel like relocating my hitch, especially because I got a gooseneck in the bed. But I don't know. Let me know what y'all think. Should I leave it like this and ride it out? Is there another method you guys know about that I don't? And I do know it looks like the bumper's brighter than the paint. It is right now, just because the tailgate's dirty. The truck's dirty right now. So if I wash the truck up and clean her up, it would mirror each other. So we will see how this holds up in the weather, rain, heat, with those little pieces peeling. It's kind of frustrating, but I mean, you know, it is what it is. I'm just mad at myself a little bit over it, man. So annoying. So annoying. Ah, man. But nonetheless, it's still another channel or another job done. So yeah. All right, you guys. So we're gonna go ahead. We're gonna wrap this up. That's gonna be it for the video. Let me know, once again, let me know what y'all think about it. Thank you for checking out the channel, watching the videos, liking the videos. I really appreciate it. I appreciate the response and the comments from the last video. So definitely, I know I'm going to be hearing some good feedback in this video. So until next time, you guys take it easy. Peace out. Be safe, and we will be in touch soon. Oh, also like, comment, and subscribe to the channel if you liked all of this. And don't forget to comment for the unboxing of the package I received in the garage, okay? Peace out.